Open linked helper on your other computer and it's like you've never run a single campaign? Well, that's because your data is stored locally, and unless you back it up, it doesn't follow you anywhere. So if you want to change laptops, reinstall your system, you'll want to have a backup. And today I'll show you how to do so. Backup and restore your linked helper setup. Okay, here's how to create a backup file. Let's do it right. Open Linked Helper Launcher. Go to the LinkedIn Accounts tab. Stop the instance of an account which you want to back up. Hover over your account, click Backup, then Export. And save the file somewhere safe. Each LinkedIn account has its own database file, so if you manage multiple LinkedIn accounts, you need to back up each one individually. And now, let's say you've got a new laptop. Here's how to bring everything back. By the way, you can send that backup file via email or upload it to Google Drive, Dropbox, whatever you prefer, and then download it to your new computer. Well, so here you start pretty the same. Open Linked Helper Launcher, go to Accounts tab, again make sure the instance is stopped, hover over the account, click Backup, but now select Import, and choose the file you exported earlier. And yeah, be extra sure when importing a backup file because all current data like campaigns, messages, leads will be overwritten with a new backup file. And if you ever run into a bug, support team can help you, but they need your data file to diagnose your problem. So here's what to do when they ask you for logs and data file. Well, again, stop the instance, click Backup, and here select Logs and Data for Developers option. Choose Export, then find a place where you want to save this file on your computer. And now wait while Linked Helper is sending this data to support, so don't close this window till the process is finished. So yeah, Linked Helper will auto-upload this logs and data file to support, but you can also share it via Google Drive if needed. By the way, when sharing via Google Drive, don't forget to set the access for anyone with the link, so the support team can view and download that logs and data file. So when should you back up? Well, before switching computers, also before reinstalling your operating system, or just as a good monthly habit, especially if you're running campaigns pretty well and you don't want to risk a thing. And that's it, now you know how to back up and restore your linked helper data. Stay safe and automate smart. And if you want more tutorials like this, hit subscribe and see you in the next one.